I just love candle warmer lamps. This one, you plug into the wall and easy on and off. You could set a timer. You can make it brighter. You can make it dimmer. I really like the remote control. It is flame-free, worry-free. It is not just pretty. It is really pretty. I love it. But it's smart, safe, and surprisingly versatile. So no up in flames, no stress, just pure ambiance. I did have to put a light bulb in here. It came with two, and it has the replacement bulb as well. 120 volts, 50 watts, but comes with two of these. Built-in timer, 2, 4, or 8-hour settings, which I really like, and also 4 levels of brightness, which I like as well, depending on the room, depending on the vibe. But elevated design and effortless vibe. Love the wood base, the glass shade, doubles as like a piece of decor. It is just beautiful. Very cozy, very beautiful. A living room, a bedroom, or an office. This is a beautiful gift with like a glass candle of your choice. Just stunning, stunning. I highly recommend. This is just not a candle accessory. It is a vibe setter. Highly recommend.